Back to my YouTube channel once again. I haven't posted for a while because pretty much I just quit it because I felt hopeless. I was getting no progress, but I thought maybe I should come back again, and maybe, just maybe, I could one day get more better at this. Like, I don't get how like other kids like get so many views and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna play some rivals, and yeah, cause like I just like it now, and I'm just gonna I'm gonna ask this person. Well, I don't know this person, but I'm gonna hope that this person accepts the 1v1. Okay. Oh yes, yes. This person is on level 22. Good, they're good one arena. I wonder if this person has technique. Personally, I like sniper sometimes, daggers. I like knife, yeah, knife, medkit. Usually I start off with daggers on arena. I do here, and I jump here. Wait, what? Wait, this person didn't even move. That person didn't even move. Like, what the hell? I'm gonna backstab them this. Wait, no way. I'm usually terrible at backstabbing. Oh, bro, this person is easy. I wonder if I can rematch them. I'm gonna win this easily. It's like, yeah. Bro, this is gonna be easy. This is gonna be very easy. Oh, how did I miss that? Bro, this person must be AFK. Yeah, that person has to be AFK. Like, I swear, if this person not AFK, that would just be nuts, really. Like, yeah. Okay, let's go from here. Oh, missed that. Okay, let's boom, boom. Oh, I'm an idiot. That person literally did barely no damage to me. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna teabag on them. But, oh yeah, but I also want to do my emote. Nah, I'll put teabag. Teabag is way more funner. Okay, let's go. Oh, how did I miss that trick shot? Bro, this person has to be AFK. There's no way they're not AFK. If they're not AFK, they're just letting me win. That's just crazy. Rage quitting. Yes. Yes, sir. But I just wonder if they rematch. Okay. Okay. This person is either stupid or there's just someone on their account trolling. I'm gonna go with assault rifle, daggers, katana, medkit. Cause really, assault rifle is actually good. Like, really. There we go. After this, I'm gonna do whatever whatever the special event they have. Whatever the special event is. Yep. And boom. There. Oh. What the heck? Bruh. Okay, let's trick shot. Yeah, I have no trick shot. I have no trick shot. Yeah, yeah, I'm pretty bad. I'm pretty bad at doing anything, like, really. I absolutely suck at this game. I have no idea how I have like a level 101. I have more like I should have like level 50 or something. Like, that's probably where I am at, level 50. Like, that's the only like thing I'm probably at. So yeah. So like, yeah, people like, I do not know how I'm at this level. I'm gonna see if they rematch again. No, okay. That's like expected, like there's no way, like, oh, I got a 50 win streak though, yes sir. Good, I got 50 win streak, that's actually good, I'm pretty sure. Like I'm halfway to 100, so like, yeah, I'd say that's pretty good, so yeah. So yeah, people. So what do we have today? Limited list loadout. Wait, what? Oh! That's what it means. No way. Oh, I've never played this, but... Well, I know this is already going to be so fun. Okay, I got 4 keys from that. Good. That's acceptable. I mean, that is good. How many keys do I even have? Where does it say it? Why can't I see? Bro, it's just ditching me. How do I know how many keys I've got? How? Bruh. This thing's trolling. Traffic cones in docks can be used quickly to reach the rooftops. Traffic cones in docks? Oh, traffic cones in docks. Well, I meant construction, which is obviously wrong. But yeah. Wait. Do we have enough? No, bro. Troll? Why? Okay, it's just, you know, you can like walk like along the back of this. Oh wait, what? Oh, we could. Okay, let's hope this time is not for the sake of it. So yeah. But yeah, people, my birthday's coming up not that long far away. So like, if you can subscribe, when you see this, that would mean so much to me. If I could get to 40 subscribers, I'll be happy. Before my birthday, I'll be so happy. But yeah. And what the heck? Oh wait, what? Uzi? We'll go with daggers. We'll go with assault rifle. Oh wait, no. Oh no, I should have done medkit, and then assault rifle. No, whatever this is. Why did I choose to use these? Oh no, I didn't. Oh hell no. Oh my god, I didn't get it. This time, I'm gonna use sniper, medkit, and then katana. Because I know there's lots of snipers. Sniper people on these teams, on the other team. So yeah, sniper. Where's medkit, and then another sniper. Oh, wait, why did I choose another sniper? Katana. I'm an idiot. Yeah, I'm a failure. I'm a failure at this game. What am I doing? You're getting my groovy. Okay, that's just weird. What I just said. Okay, so sniper, medkit, and then daggers, no katana. My god. I can't. That person's. Can't see anyone. I'm gonna use a medkit. Okay, I got one. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh, wait, oh. I just have to get some water, people, okay? But man, it's already started this round and the other person's already dead. Okay, I'm surprised I'm not dead. I'm kind of scared. One sees me, I'm dead. One person sees me, I'm hell no. I'm gonna wait. If someone's behind me, I swear, I'll crash out. Come on, people, come. I'm gonna kill. Okay. Where's the one person? No! No, I was close. If I shot that one person, my team would have won. Like, why am I with a player that's only at level 5? Like, why? And my other person, which is probably my better person. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, bro. Up to you. Even though, okay, yeah, she's gonna die 100%. It's on you idiot. Oh my. Yeah, whoa, that's crazy movement. Wow. Crazy movement. Oh my god, that's the best movement I've ever seen. Bruh, you're so good. Oh my gosh. Failure, bruh. Can't even get any movement, bruh. I'm just doing random. Double dash with Gunblade and Scythe. Nah, man, really? Nah. Oh my gosh, why did they make us come to a match? That's like, oh my god. Oh, 348, 348. Wait, X. But I got 102. Oh, good. I got 102 keys, okay. But, okay, 3148. Let's do that code. Okay, more codes. 3, 1, 4, 8. Redeem. Yes, sir. And guys, try your best to stay updated with this board, because then you can get keys from it. It's so good, okay? Then you can get keys. Daily shop. I want to see what. Yeah. Take the L. Yes, sir. Oh, good. Good. Oh, lovely. This is what I always wanted, sort of. But now I only have 5 keys. Yeah. Limited list loadout, nah. Okay, let's just go back to limited list loadout. Okay. Oh, I love the sound of this. I just like the sound. I don't know why. Right, the wrong one. Okay. Here and boom. Well, I just don't know. I just like the music. Oh my gosh. Like an idiot doing this. I feel like a 2-year-old, even though I'm a 9-year-old. There's still pretty much no differences. Yeah, there's enough people. I'm guessing there's enough people. Probably. Like, I just know it. Let's see. Iceberg. I don't mind Iceberg. Like, people that don't mind Iceberg, I don't know what's wrong with them. It's not my favorite, but they're not the worst. And why big crossroads? Why not? Let's go with Sniper, Medkit, and then Uzi. Okay. Let's see. Oh, my team's good this time, but the other team has better people. So yeah, we're probably dead either way. Oh, okay, he's coming. Oh, there's a guy up there. Trying not to like... Oh, wait, 2 people are already dead off from the other team. Where is that? Is that him? Is that him? Oh, it's not him. I swear I sold so badly that round. I don't know how much I sold, but I know I sold 5, 10 out of 10 stars. That's how much I sold. Why can't I find anyone? I don't even know what the teams are. Okay, I know the noob's not on our team. Okay, yeah, let's use Yuzi. Oh, he is on our team. There's 2 people on the other team. Where is this people? Oh no. Bro, it's up to you. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, man. I'm so sorry, kid. I don't know how old you are. You might be a 78-year-old behind that screen. He's nearby. Well, I know he's nearby. I can feel it. I feel like he's in the wrong area. Oh, there, kid. Oh, man. Or 68-year-old, I don't know. To your left. Yeah, there. Yeah. Oh, my gosh, you're standing still. Yes. Go. Yes. Right. Oh, I just realized, yes, RPG. Oh, do not die. No, you. Okay, well, I can't really be, like, talking because, like, I died first. So, like, yeah. Oh, see, guy. No, that's a tree. I thought person was a tree. Oh, okay. But I saw a snipe. Oh. Where is that person? Oh, how did I not get him? I absolutely sold so badly. If I got him then, we would have won. Wait, how is this guy going? I don't. Oh, there. There. Oh no, never mind. That was the other player. Oh, never mind. He was there. Guys, I would be playing Poxel right now because Poxel, we all know Poxel is better than Rivals, but I don't have my YouTube account on my computer, and I'm absolutely horrible. I am absolutely horrible on iPad with Poxel. Oh, here. Yep, got one. Oh. And that guy just fell. Oh. Oh. Yes, sir. Bro, man, take the L. Bruh, these people are crap. We're winning, bro. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Okay, yeah, I'm crap. They're at the... Yep, got one. You mean he got one? Not got one. There. How did you miss? How did that actually not hit him, though? I swear. That just went right through his body, I swear. Yes! Yes, kid. Oh, man. Oh, there, bro. Yes. Oh, good. You. But where is he? Where is he? He was there a second ago. He has bow? Oh, I think he has bow. Yeah, that wasn't that. Oh. Use revolver, kid. Yes. But I should use a revolver. He was low, I'm pretty sure. Oh, he might have been low. Yeah, I'm just taking the L for the previous round. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go up. Oh. And I lost that guy. Okay. Okay. Okay, got one. Okay, I died. I don't know how I died. Wait, what is he even using? Oh my gosh. Sounds. Oh, bro. No, bro. Why are you using auto against a katana kid? You can hear it, man. You can hear them. They're taking it out of their loadout. Then don't use your sniper. Where are these people? Oh, I think there's one there. You got one. And I lost another one. There was one over there. There. Wait, what? Isn't he? Oh, he's not part of our... Oh, he's part of my team. Where is this guy? Where's this person? Yes, sir. 2-0, bro. Rematch? Yeah. Doesn't a rematch sound good? Okay, well, it's because there's no rematch. I think should be the end of the video. So, peace out, people. I think I'm coming back again for those people that actually watch me. So, yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe. And, yeah. Please like and subscribe. That means so much to me. My birthday's coming up. And by the end of my birthday, I want at least 40 subscribers. That's 4 more subscribers. So, please subscribe.